registration law. Any complaint involving any of the above criminal offenses shall be filed by the proper party before the relevant agency, prosecution office, or court having competent jurisdiction thereof. For failure or refusal to register a SIM, yan yung penalty sa telco. If they do not have a ground to refuse registration, ito yung they will be liable for that section. That is why yung database ng telco, it is really protected, no? Because for breach of confidentiality, malaki yung fine. For any disclosure of data under the SIM registration process without valid ground, malaki yung fine and they will be liable to that, even for negligence. Even if, tawag dito, hindi humod ba, kumbaga by negligence, may nag-access, still they will be fined because that's under the law for breach of confidentiality due to negligence. That is why the PTEs, they are very sensitive when you request disclosure of information with regards to subscriber identity modules. But if you have a warrant, if you have a subpoena, if you have a warrant to disclose computer data, the telco will comply because that is an exception under the law. I also want you to take note of this. The National Telecommunications Commission has no jurisdiction over social media platforms. Every day, we are receiving a lot of complaints in relation to Facebook scams. And we are doing, kaupo si Engineer Steven, no, under the Consumer Welfare Protection Division, we are doing anything we can to help and assist those individuals. However, please understand that we can only operate based on what the law provides. Hindi kami makakagawa ng anything without proof or basis. So we can only operate based on what the law provides. And the SIM card registration law does not provide that we have the jurisdiction over social media platforms. Generally, no specific law regulating social media platforms. Wala tayong specific law na like RA 11934 regulating the Facebook page, Instagram, etc. But it is regulated. The PERPO can be held accountable to those who misuse the platforms under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, under the Data Privacy Act of 2012, the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013, the Revised Penal Code under libel and defamation, and the Anti-Photo Video Violation Act of 2009. This is only some of the special laws